Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared this goat cheese and cherry tomato puff pastry. Yeah, I was feeling super lazy and I really wanted some delicious treat for myself. I bought this ready to use puff pastry sheet. It's just ready for me to dress it up. I'll be using cherry tomatoes. I'll be using extra virgin olive oil. That's optional. You don't have to use it. And I'll be using soft goat cheese. And I'm going to be adding some basil leaf. So we're going to dice up this cherry tomato by slicing into two. Just two equal halves. Place them face down on a paper towel so that the paper towel can absorb the water. And then we will unwrap the puff pastry. It's already rolled as I mentioned earlier, so we'll just be rolling it out onto the baking tray. I'm going to mix some black pepper with olive oil just to brush the surface of the puff pastry. So this will give it some kind of a black kind of look. Not really black, but at least it will make the surface of the pastry to not be completely pale, just like pastry. So I'm just going to brush this on the surface. Yeah, that look. And now I'm going to scramble on top of this pastry sheet the soft goat cheese that I bought. It's really soft, you can't slice it, so I'm just going to leave the knife and use my hand to scramble it on top. So this particular recipe does not require you to stress yourself because everything is just ready to use. So I just played with it, scramble it every here and there. You can see me enjoying this, enjoying this. Yeah, I hope when you're also making it, you enjoy it the way I did. Another part I enjoy during making of this pastry is the arranging of the tomatoes. I took my time to nicely arrange the tomatoes on top of the puff pastry. You should try and do this with kids. I'm sure they will love it. Next is to fold the sides of the puff pastry. This is just to give it a nice look, like the way the pizza is always stick at the side. So I just folded the side up. And then, as I was preparing this puff pastry, I already switched on the oven. So don't forget to switch on the oven and preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Now we are going to bake this for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, you have this delicious uh, tart, the goat cheese cherry tomato tart, and it's ready for us to eat. You can see, just use knife to burst the bubbles that the puff pastry made. So now it's time to dress this tart with fresh basil leaves. If you don't like basil leaves, you can already dig into your tart and enjoy it. So I just sprinkled some on top, and I went a step further to put it in the oven just to let the basil leaf have a crispy burnt look. That helps it to robust its flavor into the goat cheese. And now this is ready for us to eat. And trust me, I nearly finished this. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for always coming back. I love you guys. Until next time, bye.